What is the process for closing on a property in Florida? Closing on a property is an exciting and crucial step in the home buying journey. If you're planning to buy a home in Florida, it's essential to understand the steps involved in the closing process. Here's a simple guide to help you navigate through it. 1. Open an escrow account. The first step in the closing process is to open an escrow account. An escrow account is managed by a third party, usually an escrow company or an attorney, and holds the funds and documents involved in the transaction until all the conditions are met. 2. Title search and insurance. A title company will conduct a title search to ensure there are no liens or claims against the property. This step is crucial to confirm that the seller has the legal right to sell the property. Title insurance is also purchased at this stage to protect against future claims. 3. Home inspection. Although not mandatory, a home inspection is highly recommended. A professional inspector will check the property for any issues or defects. 4. Appraisal. If you're financing the purchase with a mortgage, your lender will require an appraisal. An appraiser will assess the property's value to ensure it aligns with the loan amount. This step protects the lender by confirming the property's worth. 5. Closing disclosure. A few days before closing, you'll receive a closing disclosure document. This document outlines the final terms of your loan, including the interest rate, monthly payments, and closing costs. Review this carefully to ensure there are no surprises. 6. Final walkthrough. Before closing, you'll have the opportunity for a final walkthrough of the property. This is your chance to ensure that any repairs have been made and that the property is in the agreed-upon condition. 7. Closing day. On the day of closing, you'll meet with your closing agent, usually an attorney or title company representative, to sign all the necessary documents. These documents include the deed, mortgage agreement, and closing disclosure. You'll also pay any remaining closing costs. 8. Receive the keys. Once all the documents are signed and the funds are transferred, the property officially becomes yours. You'll receive the keys to your new home, and the deed will be recorded with the county. Conclusion. The closing process in Florida involves several steps, but understanding each one can make the experience smoother. From opening an escrow account to receiving the keys, each stage is essential in ensuring a successful property purchase. For sellers looking for expert advice, you can reach out to Galaxy Realty LLC by texting Alex at 95455455020 or emailing at mygalaxyrealty@gmail.com. Are you ready to sell your property but unsure where to start? Look no further. At Galaxy Realty LLC, we specialize in turning your real estate dreams into reality. Here's why partnering with us is the best decision you'll make. With years of experience in the real estate market, our team of professionals knows the ins and outs of property sales. We stay ahead of market trends to ensure you get the best value for your property. We believe every property is unique, and so is our approach. Our customized marketing plans are designed to highlight the best features of your property, attracting the right buyers quickly and efficiently. From the initial consultation to the final closing, we provide end-to-end support. Our dedicated agents are always available to answer your questions, provide updates, and offer expert advice. Our vast network of potential buyers, investors, and industry contacts means your property gets maximum exposure. We leverage our connections to find the perfect match for your property. What our clients say. Working with Galaxy Realty LLC was a game changer. They made the selling process seamless and stress-free. I couldn't have asked for a better experience. Maria Morales. Their attention to detail and personalized service set them apart. I highly recommend Galaxy Realty LLC to anyone looking to sell their property. Olivia Miller. Ready to sell? Let's get started. Don't leave the sale of your property to chance. Trust the experts at Galaxy Realty LLC to deliver exceptional results. Contact us today for a free consultation and discover how we can help you achieve your real estate goals. For more details, feel free to contact Alex at Galaxy Realty LLC. You can text Alex at 95455455020 or email him at mygalaxyrealty@gmail.com. Thank you.